What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Bird. In today's video, we have some leaks of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, these are not images, but these are specs. So, without further ado, let's get right to them. So, first off, I'm going to read them off my phone here because I just found them on the interwebs. So, what they're calling this is an ultra experience that's ready to unfold. Basically, what that means to me is that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to have some Galaxy S25 Ultra specs or hardware, most likely. This leak did state that it is 215 grams in weight. Unfolded is 4.2 millimeters. Folded is 8.9 millimeters. And it is 26% thinner, I'm assuming, from the previous model than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which I have right here, and it is a pretty thick device. It's one of the thickest foldables that was out last year. And it does have a water droplet design. I don't know what that means quite yet, but I guess we'll find out July 9th. It is 50% thicker, ultra thin glass, is what they're saying, and it's 2600 nits of brightness. It is going to come with Gorilla Corning Glass Victus 2, ceramic 2, and a new and advanced armor aluminum frame. 7 years of update. So some GPU numbers here: 41% NPU, 38% CPU, and 26% CPU improvements from previous generation. I guess that has to do with the newest Snapdragon processor, the one that's in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They are stating 24-hour of video playback. Now, here's where the ultraness comes into play. The leaker did say a ultra camera, basically the 200 megapixel main camera that's found in the 25 Ultra. It's going to be found in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which in my opinion is absolutely amazing because the foldable devices have always known for its additional features and capabilities, but their shortcomings are the camera hardware. They are not always equipped with the best camera hardware, and therefore doesn't always give you the best results in pictures and videos. And this time around, they are upgrading it to the 200 megapixel camera found in the Galaxy's S25 Ultra, which is absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait for this. They also have upgraded the front facing camera to a 10 megapixel camera, wider groupie selfies by 17%, and a wider 2.5 clear image, I guess is what they're saying. Previously, the one in the Galaxy Z Fold 6, I think it's the 4 megapixel. That's a big jump in megapixels from 4 to 10, which is in return going to produce better images and better video from your front facing camera. Night video is going to be found on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 along with 10-bit HDR, which is absolutely fantastic. Still no plans on Galaxy AI if they're going to charge for Galaxy AI. I hope they don't. I hope they keep it included with their smartphones, which I think is every manufacturer should do. And one quick and new feature that's going to be out there is circle to search during gameplay. I haven't seen this personally, but that is something that they did mention, which is pretty insane if you're playing a game and I guess you can circle something if you're having difficulties advancing to the next level, or if you want something clarified, you circle it, you kind of type what you're looking for, and it takes that into consideration and gives you the answer. That's what I'm thinking what that means. But anyways, that's what we have for right now. Now, I did get some prices, and I'm pretty sure these are going to be for the fold because some prices and some colors here. I am getting of 1,999. There is going to be a 256, a 512, and a 1 terabyte model. And the colors are blue shadow, jet black, and silver shadow. And I believe there's going to be like a mint exclusive color, but I think that's just for the flip. And I did get another price of 10.99 for 256 in the 512 model. I believe that's the flip, if I'm not mistaken, with blue shadow, jet black, and coral red. Those colors seem like they're gonna be for the flip. And then 899 model, which is 128 gigabytes, and then a mint exclusive. I think those are flip prices and colors. I believe the Fold 7 is going to start at 1,999. But along with that, is the upgrade in camera hardware enough to get you to upgrade from your Galaxy Z Fold 6? In my opinion, I am definitely upgrading, because that is one of the only shortcomings that this device has. Not only is it going to have a wider, bigger display on the outside and the inside, it now has the Galaxy S25 Ultra cameras, which is absolutely fantastic. If you're worried about the price, don't worry about the price right now. Go to the link in the description of the video and reserve your Galaxy Z Fold 6 today. You're going to get $50 Samsung credit and up to $1,150 additional savings with like a trade-in or something like that. Plus, that's one more thing. You are entered to the sweepstakes for a chance to win $5,000 of Samsung credit. Now, these credits can probably be used for anything in the Samsung store. Not only smartphones, you can buy yourself a TV, a computer, anything you want, a refrigerator. If you need a refrigerator, you can go ahead and pick one up for yourself. Just make sure you go down to the link in the description of the video and reserve yourself a Galaxy Z Fold 7. No commitment is required. This is just to keep your place in line. It's not required for you to purchase a device if you change your mind later on. Just go down there, reserve it, so you have the ability to enter and get these credits if you do decide to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you have any questions regarding this, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace!